Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of Passing and Scoring Target 2, that is Board Paper June 2020. In my previous video I have now let us continue from question number 23. Let us focus on question number 23. In previous video I have completed till question number 22. So the question number 23 is the points A11, B32 and C53 cannot be the vertices of triangle ABC. Justify. They have told these points A11, B32 and C53 cannot be the vertices of triangle. We should prove this. It cannot be the vertices of triangle. So let me show you how we have to solve. Already I have uploaded key answer. There only I am going to explain you. Here the points are A11, B32 and C53. This is nothing but x1, y1. This second point is x2, y2 and the third point is x3, y3. Now we know that area of triangle formula is half into x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. To solve all problem we need to perfect in formulas first. So half as it is, x1 is nothing but 1 into y2 is 2 minus y3 value is 3 plus sign as it is, x2 value is 2, x2 value is 3 into y3 value is 3 minus as it is, y1 value is 1, bracket close, plus sign as it is, x3 value is 5 into y1 1 minus y2 2, bracket close. So now we have to solve this. Half as it is, outside 1 as it is, 2 minus 3 is minus 1 because greater number is having negative sign, plus 3 into 3 minus 1 2 plus 5 as it is, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So now half as it is, 1 into 1 1 plus minus minus, plus sign as it is, 3 2s are 6. Now plus minus minus, 5 1s are 5. Half as it is, minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 and 6 as it is, 6 as it is, minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Half into 6 minus 6 is 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So area we got 0. So when we will get area 0, since the area of triangle is 0, the given points are collinear. That points lie on the same line. It cannot be a triangle. Therefore, the points cannot be the vertices of triangle ABC. They have told us to prove this only and hence proved that it is not the vertices of triangle ABC. Why it is not the vertices of triangle ABC? Because we got area 0. If it is area 0, it cannot be a triangle of vertices of triangle ABC. So let us see the question number 24. Draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 3 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. When such question comes, draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 3 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Whatever angle they have given, what we have to do is 180 minus 60 degree we have to do. 180 minus 60 when we do, we get the angle 120 degree. So to watch this construction, we To know this construction, watch my previous video where I have explained the whole construction and important problem based on construction. I have explained in my previous video. You can refer that. Okay. So let us go for the question number 4th main question number 25. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. This is from reduced syllabus. This question is of reduced syllabus, which is from real number. And this is also from reduced syllabus, which is from real number. So let us see the question number 26. Okay. To save fuel, to avoid air pollution, and for good health, 2 persons A and B ride bicycle for a distance of 12 km to reach their office. To save fuel and to avoid from air pollution and also for the good health, 2 people A and B ride bicycle for a distance of 12 km to reach their office. How they go to office? By riding bicycle till 12 km. As the cycling speed of B is 2 km per hour more than that of A. What they have told? As the cycling speed of B is something they have given about B. 2 km more than that of A. B is bit fast than A. B takes 30 minutes less than that of A to reach the office. Anyhow, B is bit fast. So what he will do? He takes 30 minutes less to reach the office compared to A. Find the time taken by A and B to reach the office. Okay. Let us start solving this problem. Total distance covered. How much distance they have to cover? 12 km. Now, let the speed of A x kilometer. Let the speed of A, what we have taken? X km per hour. Therefore, speed of B, it takes 2 km more they have told. More means plus we have to take. If it takes 2 km less, they would have told. Here minus we would have taken. So, speed of A is x km per hour and speed of B is x plus 2. Because they have told in question B is 2 km more than that of A. So, x plus 2. Now, we know that time is equals to distance upon speed. So, therefore, the time taken by A is nothing but distance 12 upon x, speed. Speed of A, x. And the time taken by B, 12 by x plus 2. This is B is x plus 2. So, distance time taken is nothing but distance upon speed 12 by x plus 2. So, now difference between two speeds 30 minutes. So, 12 by x minus difference between two speed 12 by x minus 12 by x plus 2 is equals to 30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes. Let us change in the hours. 12 by x minus 12 by x plus 2 is equals to 30 minutes is nothing but half hour. 1 by 2. So, I will take 12. It is there in both the terms. So, 12 common. If I take 12 common, nothing means 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 2 is equals to half as it is. So, let us, in next step, let us multiply now. X plus 2 into 1, x plus 2 minus x 1s are x upon x into x plus 2. This into this and this into this we have done. X into x plus 2 is equals to 1 by 2. It was there only. 12 is in multiply position. There gone and it gets divided. So, x get cancelled. 2 upon x into x square. X into 2, 2x is equal to 1 upon 12 2s are 24. Now, let us see here. Cross multiply. X square plus 2x into 1 as it is. X square plus 2x is equals to 24 2s x square plus 2x as it is. 24 2s 48. X square plus 2x. 48 if we bring it is minus 48 is equals to 0. Now we know this is the factorization. So we know that 8 6 are 48. 8 minus 6 is 2. So x square plus 8x. Why plus 8? Because we need positive sign. We know this. We want minus 48 and like this. So 8 6 are 48. Here plus 2 we need. So plus minus, and here minus, plus minus minus. 8 6 are 48. So x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 as it is equal to 0. Now what is common in this? X common. If x is common, one x will remain as it is, plus x is already common, 8 will remain. So minus 6 common. If minus 6 common, here x will remain, and minus we have taken common. 6 8s are 48 is equals to 0. Next here 8 plus x plus 8, x plus 8 common, remains what? X minus 6. X is equals to plus 8 is there, means that side it go, it becomes minus. X is equals to minus 8, x is equals to 6. Minus negative will become positive, positive will become negative. Speed cannot be negative. We know that speed cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to 6. What they have told? Time taken by A and B they have told. So, time taken by A, 12 by x. That is 12 by 6. 2 hours. Time taken by A to reach 12 by x, that is 2 hours. Like that. Time taken by B, time taken by B is equals to 12 by x plus 2. 12 by x plus 2. So, 12 as it is. X is nothing but 6 plus 2. 12 by 8. 6, 7, 8. Like that only. 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. That here 2 hours, here if we divide 3, 1, 2 1s are 2, 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour. Time taken by A is 2 hours and time taken by B is 1.5 hours. So this is the question number 26. Now let us see question number 27. If x is equals to, value of x they have given, if x is equals to p tan theta plus q sec theta and y is equal to p sec theta plus q tan theta, then prove that x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. They have given x and y value and they have told us to prove that this should be equal to this. Okay, let us write first values they have given. X is equals to p tan theta plus q sec theta and y is equals to p sec theta plus q tan theta. Now prove that this they have told, x square. Let us take LHS, that is x square plus y square. By taking LHS we will prove RHS. X square plus y square. X square is nothing but x value I am writing. In place of x value is p tan theta minus q sec theta. Square is there, whole square. Okay. Minus y square is p sec theta plus q tan theta whole square. Okay. So a minus b whole square. We know formula a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is the formula where I will apply now. Which formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. For minus sign and for plus sign plus. Okay. So let us take now p square tan square theta a square, p square tan square theta, p tan theta na, a square, p square tan square theta plus b square q square sec square theta plus 2 a is nothing but p tan theta into b value is q sec theta. This whole bracket we completed till here. Now let us see second bracket, minus sign as it is into, this is a now, this is b, p square sec square theta plus q square tan square theta, a square plus b square plus 2a p sec theta into q tan theta. Formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so let us see. We'll split the formula. This minus is in a bracket. We will open the bracket in next step. We can see here p square tan square theta as it is plus q square sec square theta as it is plus 2 tan theta 2p tan theta q sec theta minus into plus minus p square sec square theta minus into plus minus q square tan square theta, then again minus into plus minus 2p sec theta into q tan theta as it is. Now we can see here 1 plus and 1 minus get cancels. One same terms but plus and minus get cancelled. That is 2p tan theta q sec theta, 2p tan theta q sec theta. So get cancelled. Now what is remain? P square tan square theta plus q square sec square theta minus p square sec square theta minus q square tan square theta left. Now we can see here p is common in p square is common. One is p tan square theta is there and minus p square sec square theta is there. So let me take p as common. P square common. If we take p square common, tan square theta as it is minus p already common sec square theta plus I'll take q square common in these two now. Q square common means if I take q square common, sec square theta minus q common. So minus tan square theta. Now p square as it is. To change this sign, I have taken minus sign as common. Why I have taken minus sign common? To change this position, to change this sign. Minus common if I take, minus sec square theta will become plus sec square theta and plus tan square theta will become minus tan square theta plus q square into 1. Why here 1? Because we know that as identities in my target 1, I have told you already, that is identity sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So in place of this whole term, what we have written? 1. Now here also p square as it is minus sign as it is sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1 plus q square into 1 q square. Now plus minus minus p square plus q square. So what value we got? Q square minus p square. Q square have positive sign. So plus minus p square. They have told this only to prove. Therefore x square q square minus p square. Therefore x square minus y square is equal to q square minus p square. It's very easy. Looks complicated, but you have to split this formula. That is a plus b whole square and both a plus b whole square you have to split. Then in this minus you have to remove the bracket. That's it. Okay. Let us see the one more choice in this or option you have for question number 27. Let us see. Prove that cot square 90 minus theta upon tan square theta minus 1 plus cosec square theta upon sec square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to 1 upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. Means we should prove this, by taking this, answer should be this 1 upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. Let us prove. It's very easy. Okay. So cot square 90 minus theta upon tan square minus 1. This is the given question, plus cosec square theta upon sec square theta minus cosec theta. LHS I have taken. This side I have taken. We have to bring the answer this. So this side I have taken. Now same as it is I have written here, cot square 90 minus theta upon tan square theta minus 1 plus cosec square theta upon sec square theta minus cosec square theta. So cot square, you know this complementary angles, cot 90 means what? I have thought in target 1, cot 90 minus theta is tan. So square is there, square will be. So here also cot square 90 will become tan square. Theta is there as it is theta. Cot square 90 minus theta is tan square theta upon as it is tan square theta minus 1 plus cosec square theta as it is, sec square theta minus cosec square theta also as it is. Rest everything I have kept as it is. Only cot square 90 is nothing but tan square. Okay. In next step, we need answer in sin and cos. So we should convert this using identities. We know that tan theta is sin upon cos. Tan square is there. So sin square theta upon cos square theta. Only numerator I have changed. Sin square theta upon cos square theta upon as it is. Tan square theta is nothing but again sin square theta upon cos square theta minus 1 as it is. Minus 1 as it is. Plus sin as it is. Cosec theta is 1 upon sin. You should be perfect in target 1 because target 1 I have only explained the formulas. You should know how to use the identity. Cosec square theta is 1 upon sin square theta. It is identity. Cosec square theta is nothing but 1 upon sin square theta. Reciprocal ratio. So in place of cosec theta, what we wrote? 1 upon sin. Square is the square. Upon sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta minus again cosec square theta is 1 upon sin square theta. We have taken the reciprocal ratio. Cosec means 1 upon sin, sec means 1 upon cos and cosec means 1 upon sin. Okay. Next step. We can see here sin square theta upon cos square theta as it is upon I have sin square theta I have kept as it is, cos square theta into 1 cos square theta. Cos square theta into 1 cos square theta upon cos square theta as it is. Plus 1 upon sin square theta as it is upon, let us cross multiply. Sin square theta into 1 sin square theta, cos square theta into 1 cos square theta upon cos square theta into sin square theta. Now what happened? This cos square theta and cos square theta get cancelled. Here sin square theta and sin square theta get cancelled. What is left? It is cancelled with sin square theta upon sin square theta minus cos square theta left. Plus this side cos square theta into 1. This cos square theta is left out denominator. It will be multiplied to 1. So cos square theta into 1 is cos square theta upon sin square theta minus cos square theta. In numerator 1 is there. So this will go and multiply here cos square theta into 1. Cos square theta and sin square theta minus cos square theta as it is. Now we can see both denominator is same. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Here also sin square theta minus cos square theta. So both the denominator is same. So I will write the denominator once. Sin square theta cos square theta I have written once. So here plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. In place of sin square theta cos square theta I have written 1 upon denominator as it is. This only they have told us to prove. 1 upon sin square theta minus cos square theta This only they have told here to prove. It's very easy question. So in my next video, I'll continue from question number 28. Do like and share. Thank you.